Hello and welcome to a new Hypi 101 session. In this session, we are going to learn about the Hypi magic object. Let's go to Postman and create a new request. You can always create a new copy from the request template that we have saved earlier. And then write down the following query body. It is a find query that matches all impressions along with related products. But nested under the Hypi object are fields that we haven't discussed so far. So let's go over them together one by one. ID is the identifier of the record. In this case, impression. When you call the upsert mutation, you can provide this field to update an existing object. Trashed is a date time indicating when the object was trashed. And the difference between trashed and deleted is that delete is permanent, but trash objects can be restored. However, delete objects are permanently deleted and can no longer be restored. Updated is the update date time, indicating the last time this object was modified. While created is the date time field, indicating the time when this object was first inserted in the data layer. The created by is the Hypi ID of the account that inserted this object. This is rather essential for authorization, since an explicit permission is required to access a resource that belongs to another account. We will discuss permissions and authorization in later videos. App stands for the name of the application that is currently using this type, and instance is the realm name in which this current instance exists. Release is the release name of the application this instance was created in. The publisher app is the name of the app which created this type on which this Hypi object appears. This is different to app because the current app may be owned by you, but this type is originally from a dependency created by someone else. We have already demonstrated how to use dependencies in another video. Feel free to consult the video lecture related to app dependency. For example, Hypi publishes the core app, which gives you types such as account. The publisher app field of account will be core. If your app is called payments, for example, then the app field will be payments. The publisher realm, the realm name to which the app, release, and instance belong. The publisher release is the name of the release this type exists in. The following sections will demonstrate these fields in action, and you will get a strong grasp of their use as we progress throughout the course. In this session, we have demonstrated the fields of the Hypi object, and in the next section, we are going to understand how security works on Hypi. Thank you and see you in the next section.